YouTube, welcome back to the channel. This is where we cover all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel, guys. We're on a spree of these meme coins right now. I'm telling you, we're on a spree and checking out these meme coins because Hong Kong officially can trade, buy and sell crypto. The Asian community, the Chinese community have access to crypto, and they could be degens just like you and me, okay? They can be degenerates just like you and me. And a lot of Asian meme coins have launched that go down, that are, you know, playing into that narrative and that trend. I wouldn't be surprised Asian altcoins start exploding as well. So maybe I'll bring some of those for you guys as well after some research, you know. And yeah, guys, but for right now, we're gonna be checking out some of these meme coins because why not, guys? It's an open market. We saw what happened with Pepe. After Pepe exploded, you could see how many YouTubers that you guys watch that are still covering Pepe right now, okay? And you just never know which one of these could just absolutely crush it and in the future. But as always, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before investing in any project in the crypto space because it is very risky and very volatile. Never invest more than you're willing to lose. We're going to be checking out Chow Chow, barking up the blockchain. Enter the path with Chow token or Chow, a crypto companion hailing from the blockchain kennel. Not just another meme token, Chow is fortified by Ethereum and carries the weight of a 1,000-year legacy, mirroring the Chow Chow breed, strong and dependable. Chow is set to bring a reliable community-led currency to all. Welcome to the age of the big dogs. Your furry friend token. Chow, echoing the Chow Chow breed, traces its roots back to 2,000 years in China. Once bred for hunting, herding, and guarding, the Chow Chow today stands as a symbol of resilience and loyalty. Chow's prime maneuver, creating waves together. Chow community member, your role is invaluable. Our shared mission thrives on active participation and robust security practices while upholding secure protocols. Chow Foundation is fortified with open Zeppelin contracts, renowned for their security. Help us maintain this integrity by promoting safe transactions and suspicious activity. Join Chow's Kennel. Step into Chow Kennel, an ever-expanding network of crypto enthusiasts. Connect, learn, grow together. You are the pulse of the Chow ecosystem. Your involvement drives our growth. Engage in dynamic conversation, share insights, and forge meaningful conversations. So they have a plan for this project, man. They have a plan for this project. Foundation, announcements, community. Why Chow, liquidity locked, loaded and locked. 95% liquidity locked, 4.5% for the preserve for DEX. Strong community. Uniswap spool is thriving. Soon more DEXs and centralized exchanges lead the pack. So yeah, zero tax token. Liquidity locked for 77 years. 99% of the liquidity is locked. Zero tax token, no honeypot, none of that. So yeah, I'm seeing that being a trend, man, where the liquidity is locked. There's no taxes on the meme, so there's no tax farms. Like a lot of these projects that launch with taxes, the developers literally just take the tax money after people give up on the project, and then they cash out the tax money. So I love that a lot of these projects now don't have zero taxes, and they be locking the liquidity for over 100 years, right? After people would be, you know, passed away, right? I love stuff like that. As you guys can see from the chart, man, not looking too good at all. Had this huge run up, and now, you know, a lot of people are getting out of the project. I'm not sure if this will be the end of the project or a great opportunity to get in at 1 mil market cap or even less. It could drop below 1 million. It could be, you know, like I said, with these projects, high risk, high reward. It's either or. It's 50-50. You're flipping the coin right now with these projects, guys. You're flipping a coin. It could drop below 1 million market cap, find a floor, consolidate, and then absolutely explode again. Or it could just, you know, project could just, you know, die, right? Like, no sugarcoating. The project could potentially die, but you know, it's up to you to do your own research, your own due diligence, see what the community is like, see what's happening in with the project, see what is going on. Are they making noise still? Is the community still active? Is the community, the top community members, do they have plans for things to keep that hype going? This is what you should be looking into. As we can see, all-time high, over 4 million on the first day. So they ran to 14 million, my bad, 14 million. So that's a 14x from here. They make another move up like that, right? This is when it comes to meme coins, high risk, high reward, high volatility as well. After huge moves like that, you're gonna see huge retraces, man, huge dumps. Okay, you might, it might reach a bottom and then have a bounce. That's a possibility as well, though. That is a possibility. You can't rule that out. Then I have the Chow Chow dog. A lot of engagement on Twitter, a bunch of likes and retweets. Pretty nice stuff. 1,000 holders. How much holders are we at right now? 1,500. A lot of people exiting the project right now, man. A lot of people exiting the project. But you never know if it makes a comeback, right? I've seen some influencers in the space talk about it. Seen some people with nice followings talk about it. So more than likely they're gonna be saying, "Oh, nice dip on Chow Chow. Are you guys gonna get in or not?" It's up to you guys. Again, high risk, high reward. Manage your risk. Never invest more than you're willing to lose when it comes to projects like this. I'm just bringing it to your guys' attention because they're making noise right now. And like I said, all of these Asian meme coins, Chinese meme coins are making noise, so might as well cover them on the channel, right? Again, we are all adults here. If you see one of these projects, you invest, things doesn't work out, you lose your investment. Guys, we're all adults here, okay? This is why I say never invest more than you're willing to lose and manage your risk. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not saying to get into any of these projects at all. I'm just bringing them to your attention and covering them on the channel. Because how many people, think about it, how many people thought Pepe would do what it did? Not many, but the people that took the risk, look at how happy they were the first few days of Pepe. The people that took the risk on that got so many gains, right? That's the type of gains I wish would happen all the time in crypto. Like there's projects just 10xing, 100xing every single day with good altcoins, right? With great use cases, just 100xing every week, every month. it would be freaking amazing, right? But I think that would probably be in the bull market, right? But yeah, guys, if you hold Chow Chow, let me get your thoughts. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything about the project and myself will be in the description. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.